If you're looking to upgrade from a standard handheld fan, the Shark Chill Pill is perfect for you. Whether you're at the gym, out and about, or on your way to work or in the office, this fan adapts to your needs. Let's take a closer look. The Chill Pill has 3 distinct cooling systems. Firstly, the traditional fan, which you can use on the treadmill so that you can stay cool while you exercise. When you're finished, the ultrafine mist setting is great for refreshing yourself after an intense workout. And if you're feeling a little hot on your commute, the InstaChill cooling plate provides instant cooling on contact with your skin, lowering the temperature by up to 9 degrees Celsius for fast relief. The Chill Pill is portable too. It easily fits in your hand, or you can use the crossbody strap to carry it around hands-free when you're on the go. When you're at the office, you can set the Chill Pill up on your desk to keep yourself cool for the entire workday. There's even 10 different speed settings to help you find the perfect breeze. If you'd like more info about the Shark Chill Pill, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shopfly video call.